Acrophobia is an extreme and irrational fear of cats. Recently, a student from Politeknik Sultan Ahmad Shah in Kuantan Pahang, who suffers from the phobia, was caught on camera screaming his head off when his hostel mates decided to pull a prank on the poor young man, a prank that was considered to be distasteful among netizens. The 45-second clip went viral on Twitter, which has raked in over 341,000 views. Take a look. It was a calm night at the hostel for these boys until this happens.
Jangan, aku ni!
Tumpah air tu.
Mirul, janganlah.
Letaklah air tu.
Janganlah, bawa lah dia keluar.
Letak air. Kau letak air.
Jangan bawa dia keluar, aku tumpah.
Okey, aku letak luar. Kau letak air.
Weh! Weh!
Berita aku, Mirul.
Pergi sana. Pergi aku. Pergi.
Berita aku. Kau
Pergi. Janganlah, weh.
Alah, sikit je.
Janganlah. Nak aku out.
Many netizens didn't take the joke all too well and voiced out against the prankster's actions, adding that fears and phobias should never be used as a tool to scare people, while others, haunted by different phobias, chimed in to share their experiences to emphasize how phobias are a serious matter.